guys, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today, and yes, I'm sorry you can see the tripod. I'm filming on a really small table and I could not get it completely out of view, but I can still show you what I wanted to. This is going to be a quick haul for a diamond painting. I actually purchased this when I purchased the one I've been working on in my whips. So yes, this is from Craftology. They were both sent in the same box here, but I haven't pulled this one out. So let's pull it out, look at it, and see what we're looking at as far as quality. Now, my goal is to start on my drills and chills or just the fall related Chuck Pinson. But if that doesn't come in time, I will go ahead and start this one. Let me go ahead and get the stuff out of the center. This is the way that when they send it to you on Craftology, it is in these bags like this, and I'll show you that in just a second. But let me go ahead and show you. Let me see if I can figure out which direction it goes. Now, this is one of those things that I do not like about Craftology, and I'm just going to try and roll it backwards just a little bit so that it will lay flat. That's just a really good trick that I learned from Rachael Rae, who I follow. I'll try to remember to link her channel, but she's like, I don't know, her and Mindy's Moments, I think it is, or something like that. They're both really a lot of fun to watch. They do a tremendous amount of uploads and that sort of thing. Okay, so again, you can see this is Craftology. It is a 45 by 60, which is a pretty good size, especially if you want detail. And then here we have our chart on the side. We have 35 colors. And you can see the symbols. These are, I do believe, your DMC color. Here's your symbol, and then this is the number for the kit. So that's what it looks like, and this is what the art looks like. It is it's a floral arrangement. Now, the only thing about this one that I'm really concerned with is I'm going to try to peel off this. I prefer the ones that have the clear over it so that you can see it while you're working. This one doesn't. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to trade out. I'll pull this one off, and then I'll get one of the clear covers to put on this one while I work because I prefer to see it. But another thing that you have to be careful of, if you see this little edge right here, I don't know if you can see that. Maybe you can. Yeah, like right there, you see that? This is not poured glue. This is a double-sided adhesive layer. And what that means is if you're not careful, this will pull up off of your artwork, and then you have nothing to stick the drills to. It's sticky, it is, but I definitely prefer poured glue. I just feel like this is the cheaper version. Hopefully the ones that I have coming, they're from Diamond Art Club, and they should be poured glue, so I can show you the difference. You can see here, but this, if you rest on this or you touch it a lot of times, it's going to, the stickiness is going to go away, where with poured glue you don't have that problem. So let me go ahead and pull off this. I'm doing it very slowly so that we can kind of see what it looks like here. Okay, so what we have here is, let me see if I can do it where you guys can see. Okay, so this right here is the bottom. This is where the vase is. It's it does give you instructions, but it doesn't have usually it has a picture or a card or a piece of paper with everything on it so you can look at it, look at the whole thing. This does have a significant crease in it, so I'm going to have to work on that before I can even get started with it. And that is a problem with them because they will indeed get bubbles and things like that. And see, right then, it pulled up the adhesive. So the adhesive is no longer here. It's on the back. Let me try pulling it from this corner. So when I paid a lot of money for, there we go. When you pay a lot of money, because this is like $40, I think. Now, don't get me wrong. This is probably going to be the one that I use for the spring. And it will probably take me a couple of months. So as far as cost, effective, I would say that it is, it's economical because of the amount of time you're going to get on it. But I'm just going to pull real slow because I just feel like, yep, This is very much in bad shape. It looks like it was creased at some point. This is all bubbled up here. I think you can see a little bit of it right in there. It's kind of bubbled up. Here, I have some really strong lines I'm gonna have to repair. I did watch the video that Rachael Rae did, and she shows you how to do this, but it scares me because it involves an X-Acto knife and cutting that surface. So I guess we'll just have to wait and see. When I get to it, you know, we'll see just how bad it really is, but I do think that they're economical. I just don't feel like the quality is completely there. Definitely not compared to the Diamond Art Club one that I did from Hobby Lobby. And I think that Diamond Art Club is probably, if I had to guess, I would just call it the elite when it comes to trying to get this off without pulling the, okay. I'm trying to show you each side without pulling it all off at one time. That's the other side of it. It's just really beautiful. It looks like peonies and roses. It's just a really pretty spring-like bouquet. I absolutely love the colors in it. So I guess you have to decide, you know, if you want to put like $60 to $100 in one that is top of the line, or if you want to put 50 into one just to see, you know, kind of save yourself a little money and just see how it goes. Now, I ordered these together, this one and the one that I've been working on, the bicycle and flowers. I've been working on that one together, or actually I ordered them together. I kind of learned my lesson a little bit. I need to make sure that if it's not Diamond Art Club or Treasure Moments and things like that, then I need to purchase one, do it, kind of check out the quality and everything, and go from there. So there are some drawbacks. There's some good things about it, and there's some bad things about it. I guess it just depends on what you are going to put the most of your wants and needs at the top. And then you know, if you want to just go full on quality and spend the extra money and not try to figure out a place that is a little more inexpensive, then you know, you can certainly do that. But guys, see, like even just the way that these are bundled up here together. First of all, do you see how, like, this is number 334. It's kind of a bluish gray color. Do you see how it's in these individual little bags and they're kind of wadded up? I have found so far in my experience that when the drills are not packaged well, chances are they're not very high quality. I can't really see for sure. Sometimes you'll have round and square mixed together. This is a round drill. I was thinking it was a square drill, but it is a round drill, or at least these are round. But the thing that I noticed about these is that the facets on them are not very sharp, and because of that, they do not sparkle and shine like some of the others I've done. So we have this one, this little package here, which is like a green color, pink. And you can see how this is very cumbersome, and it's like a big chunky bundle. We have all of these of this color, $8.95. And that means that I have all this trash to go through. Instead of it all being in one larger pack, they've got it divided up into little bitty sections. And I really don't prefer that. If the drill quality was there, I would not have an issue. But since the drill quality is really not that great, that's a pretty purple. Just had a green. Here's another purple. You can kind of see there's just lots and lots of colors, and they're just a wad. And so I have to cut through each bag, empty them up as I'm using. So that's the first bag. Let me just push that out of the way. Let me show you the other bag. This doesn't have as much in it, but it's obvious that they just didn't have the room for all of it in one bag. And again, it should be folded like this, but it really should only be, you know, larger envelopes full. So anyway, we have this color, which is a brown. And then again, we do have a little bit of orange here and here. So there's a little bit of orange, but you're gonna see lots of greens, pinks, and blues. because that's pretty much what this diamond painting is. So guys, I hope that you enjoyed looking at my diamond painting. I hope that you can learn from my experiences and what I have been kind of seeing as I progress through the world of diamond painting. I hope that you enjoy these kind of videos, and if you do, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I'm going to try to get back to some of my planner videos really soon, but I just wanted to share this with you in case I have to start it before my fall/winter pieces arrive, which I will also haul for you. So that's the reason I went ahead and haul this. I wanted you to see what I'm looking at, what kind of quality you would see from this place, and I guess it depends on if you just want to kind of risk it and go for it and, you know, buy one. Even if it's a smaller one, just check out the quality for yourself. But yeah, that's pretty much all that I have for you today. I hope that you guys have a wonderful rest of the week wherever you are. I love you, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.